Couple of weeks ago, I posted my very first Forex video. I told you guys I'll be giving you updates on how it's going. So today we have one of those update videos. Alright? What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. You see, if you're new, you can consider subscribing. You see, if you subscribe, turn on your post notification. That way you don't miss when I upload any video. Alright? I normally upload videos on Mondays and Wednesdays about personal finance, investing, and just business in general in Jamaica. So you see, if these are things that you like, you can subscribe, turn on your post notification, and also hit that thumbs up button. Look out for the ticker as well, because I have a giveaway going on. We are planning to give away $10,000 to one lucky subscriber. So I put a ticker in the video. So look out for that and just drop the ticker and the meaning in the comments below so you're entered into the giveaway. Now, you see, if you need more information, I'll leave all the details for that giveaway in the description below. Alright, so you can go ahead and just read through that or watch the giveaway video, whichever one you prefer. So I finally set up my Forex account and I've officially started trading Forex. Paper money though, not my real money. I'm not comfortable putting my money in there as yet. So today, I'm going to go over how I chose my broker and just a couple of things that you need to look out for when you're choosing your broker. I'm also going to tell you the broker that I'm currently using as well, so stay tuned for that. Now, in the Forex world, there's basically two different types of broker. You have one, the dealing desk broker, and the non-dealing desk broker. Now, to be honest, in my opinion, it don't really matter which one you use. But I'm just going to tell you the differences for information purposes. First of all, both brokers make their money through the spread. Now, I already told you that the spread is the difference between what the broker bought the money for and what they're selling it to you for. So if they bought it for $1 and then they sell it to you for $1.05, the spread is the 5 cents in between, right? Now, where these brokers are different is how they actually process your transaction. When you're trading through a dealing desk broker, they will process your transaction one of two ways. One, they will find someone who has the opposite side of your transaction. So let's say you're shorting the Euro USD. What they're going to do is to find someone that's going long the Euro USD to net the transaction against. But if they can't find anybody to pair the transaction or net them off against, they're going to pretty much take up the other side of the transaction themselves. But don't feel too special. They do this to everybody. So if you lose, then they win. But if you win, then the broker actually loses. With a non-dealing desk broker, what they do is to actually go to the market to try and get your orders filled. Meaning they're going to go to the different institutions to try and find someone who has the opposite side of your transaction or who is willing to fill your order. So technically, if nobody is willing to fill your order, it may never get filled. But based on how liquid the Forex market is, I doubt that will ever happen. Next thing you need to know, is your Forex broker legit? Now, in Forex trading right now, a lot of different people are setting up websites to pretty much scam you out of your money, saying that they're going to be doing Forex trading on your behalf and a bag of things, basically. And a lot of people actually fall for these scams, and to be honest, when you check it out. Now, when you select your broker, one thing you need to check is your broker regulated? You see, just like how we have FSC in Jamaica that regulates the banks and all of these different financial institutions, brokers need to be regulated depending on where they are. So you're going to need to know if your broker is regulated and who is regulating them. Now, if you look right here, you're going to see a list of the different regulating entities in different countries. And these are the ones that you want your broker to be a part of. Next thing you're going to do is to actually Google your broker. Everything you do nowadays end up on the internet, whether you like it or not. And when you're Googling your broker, don't just look for the good news. Me personally, fall for that already. If you watch my video on how I talk about how I was scammed when I just bought into Bitcoin, I told you how I Googled this website and I pretty much found everything that was good to say about them. Now, this was a Friday and by the Sunday, when the website crashed, that is the time that I chose to go ahead and dig a little bit deep and find all the bad things that would have made me not invest with these people. Now, I'm going to leave a link to my Bitcoin video in the description below and it's going to pop up somewhere here as well. Due diligence when you're selecting your broker is key. And if you cannot find any information, that is very telling because you can't be the first person to be using your broker. Customer service is the next thing you need to look out for because if you're going to put in your money in something, I'm sure you need their customer service to be on point. And not just customer service. You're going to need somebody that understands you as well, because I'm sure you don't want to find a broker that has some customer service around at the back of India where they barely even speak English, right? So my advice, try to find a broker that speaks English or is on the English speaking side of the world, because while we might not want anything bad to happen, I know if I call customer service, I want to be helped as best as possible. So preparing by actually finding a broker that speaks English is one of the big things for me. Now, the broker that I'm currently using, they seem to have very good customer service so far, because when I submit my documents, or when I submitted my documents, they actually called me to say that, hey, you know, we got one of your documents and there's something missing off of it, and could you just resend it to us and so on, because they actually speak very good English. But now that I look into it still, you know, probably just one of them did want steal cars. I must say somebody new just to come throw down their money, but let me see how that play out, alright? But to me, it seemed like they had very good customer service, because they actually went ahead and gave me a call. The next thing you need to know about your broker is basically how the money go. Brokers are not doing anything for free. So you need to know how it is that they are going to charge you. If it is that they're going to charge you based on the spread, like I said before, or if they're going to also charge you commissions, you need to know that you're not overpaying for any of these services, because brokers are basically a dime a dozen. So if this one is too expensive, I'm sure you can find another one over here that is cheaper. So check out this spread to see how much it is that you're actually paying the broker for each of the transactions that you're doing. And if it is that you find a broker that charges commission, call them and try and negotiate. See if it is that you can get your commission lowered. Basically, all you really need to do is to call them and start ball, say, hey, you know, say I've been looking into another broker and they're saying that they're willing to charge me 0 commission or a reduced rate, but I kind of like your platform. So what you can do for me, in a sense then? And see what them say. Even if you're not stalling nobody yet, call them and see what them say, just to see if you can get better prices. Now I'm going to tell you guys about the broker that I am currently using. The broker I use is actually based out in Australia, and they are regulated by the ASIC, which is the Australian Security and Investment Commission. For me so far, they are okay. They want me to put up my money, but right now, I'm not comfortable putting up my money as yet. I want to paper trade first and learn as much as I can before I actually put up my money in Forex. Now, paper trading and learning is the two biggest things for me right now. The broker's name is actually Blueberry Markets. Now, if you are doing Forex, you can actually go ahead and research them to see if they're good for you. Don't just go ahead and register with Blueberry Markets because I said that I am using them. So, thanks for watching, guys. These are just a couple of things that you need to look out for if you're going to choose a Forex broker. And if you are a Forex trader watching this video, just drop the name of your broker down below so that way we can share as much information as possible. Plus, your broker might even be better than the one I'm currently using. You never know. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up button. Now for these Forex videos, I'm going to see if I can do my next video a little bit sooner, but not sure how that is going as yet. Let me know in the comment sections below if you'd like to see me doing more Forex video and how it is that the Forex journey is treating me so far. Now that we're at the end of my video, you know, we come to the part where I say that I am not a licensed financial advisor. So if you're going to make any money decision, talk to your financial advisor first. Alright, so until next week, people. Bye bye.